Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the heater circuit, smart heater. It's the build last revision of the circuit. I want to revision it for some changes the contractor want from me. It have a 4 relay, igniter, ion detector detecting of the flame. It have a CT for detecting the short circuit in the AC, a relay for protection of human and short circuit, detect when this one detect the short circuit, this circuit detect on this MPU microcontroller, and it will close the power. I show you some routing principle. This is the input of the circuit. I use the keypad on it to this part be routed. You can see here this was routed, this was is routed too. If you use keypad, they route the circuit. I just show some principle of I use Control plus W to show the boundaries. You can see the boundaries, the 0.7 millimeters. The track width is 2 millimeters. This is a phase track. If the customer have a reverse plug, it may be null. Because of it, this circuit have a redundancy and changeability. Okay, this is the main filter. We can see here common mode choke. Before the igniter here have a 8 kilovolt or 10 kilovolt power. Because of it, I don't use it in the main circuit. I routed him before the filter because I don't want the noise of this circuit propagate in my circuit. You can see. This circuit is very used in the Giordano heater, Italian company. I use the top layer as many as possible. No. This is a capacitor here. You can see on this circuit This capacitor is used for as a resistor in the AC circuit for backup power of this circuit. The main power and high power is this. It can power up relays and other high wattage hungry parts. As you can see, I try to use the top layer because we want to use the bottom layer as a shield everywhere it's possible, and I hope it's the main node, the circuit main node. The phase. I try to keep boundary, we keep clearance with other port as big as possible, but in the 1220 volt circuit is not too important to have this distance. 1 or 2 millimeter is enough in most circumstances. Sorry, the mobile extreme control M is the shortcut. You can see it's 3 millimeters gap. It's okay, and nothing will be happen. But here it's not good. I use a space to change circuit. This is the diode bridge. I want to track the node to this diode bridge. I must use the node on this layer. The wire is very big, but it's here can show. It's a 0.75 millimeter diameter and 0.5 millimeter hole size. I change it to 1 millimeter, and this is the RCCB circuit. This coil of RCCB is have a common ground with our ADC, and we must sense it. This is the main power circuit in the system. The relay may disconnect this part. I connect it. I check the schematic. It maybe have a large power on it. Yes, it have a phase must be kept with I think this clearance is okay for this. No, this is null circuit. I change clearance to something. I use the bottom line, so because it is a null, I use the bottom line layer. It's good enough. The hole is somehow 1 it's good via I keep some clearance for better assemblability in the pick and place and assemble on the oven. The hole may draw the solder and this pad don't solder enough. This solder pad must be, it's good. It's good for now for the routing the high voltage.